So here are the 3D printed throttle response cam pieces. I did them separately like this so that no support was needed, because when I printed it all as one piece, I'd end up getting like support, roughness in there and on one side. It just wasn't very nice. This way, when you put them together, and I'll show that in a second, you get a perfectly smooth, very professional looking piece. So what you do is you find the hole with the slot on top and you line it up, and then these pegs go into these holes like that, and you can see that it's not quite there, so you gotta push them together as tight as you can, and for the most part it's still not tight enough. So then what you do to get that final little squish where all the pieces are completely together, I just put them in a vise, and I've lined the vise with some weather stripping so that it won't mar the surface. But you can actually see those little pegs finally get seated all the way in there. And if you do it nice and tight, they're virtually flush with the top, those pegs. Now, there should be no gap. Then, take these guys, do the same thing. These guys are keyed. They're both the same thing, but that little key goes into that little slot when you put them in the cam. So I was able to get that one in by hand. And then this one, you have to line everything up. Lined up. Put it all lined up. So now on that one, I'm not quite getting it all the way in there. So, just like before, you just squish it in. And once you do that, this whole thing is super secure together. In fact, it's better than one piece because there's just no support, debris. You don't get any of those rough surfaces. I did this at a 0.08 layer height, and so even the inside channel is just smooth as can be all the way around. Ta-da! 3D printed throttle cam.